Ever wondered how to manage your YouTube playlist effectively? Welcome to the wonderful world of playlist management, where we give you the keys to unlock a more organized and effective way to enjoy your YouTube content. In today's digital age, playlists are more than just a collection of videos. They are your personal entertainment hub, a curated selection of content tailored to your taste. Managing your YouTube playlist is a vital part of this journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. In this video, we'll be covering a variety of topics to help you maximize your experience. This includes everything from filtering your playlist by video type to reordering your playlist, from hiding videos to deleting a playlist altogether. We'll also delve into the exciting world of creating and managing your playlists. Each of these topics plays a crucial role in your playlist management journey, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to take control of your YouTube experience. First off, we'll explore the world of filtering. This handy tool allows you to choose and view the type of content you want in your playlist, be it all content, shorts, or long-form videos. Next, we'll unveil the secrets to reordering your playlist, a simple yet effective way to customize your viewing experience. We'll then venture into the realm of hiding videos and deleting playlists. While it may seem daunting, these features give you the power to control what you see and what you don't. And yes, we'll also cover what happens after you delete a playlist. Finally, we'll dive into the thrilling process of creating and managing your own playlists. This is where you get to unleash your creativity, curate your own content, and share your taste with the world. So are you ready to embark on this journey? A world of organized, customized, and efficient YouTube viewing awaits. Stick around as we dive into the nitty-gritty of managing your YouTube playlist in the most efficient way possible. First things first, let's talk about filtering a playlist by video type. This is a handy feature that allows you to streamline your content, making it easier to find and organize. Whether you're a creator or a viewer, knowing how to filter a playlist by video type can save you precious time and effort. To get started, you need to select the playlist that you'd like to edit. This can be done by going to the guide. The guide is a handy tool that helps you navigate through your YouTube interface. It's your go-to place for managing all your playlists. Once you've selected your desired playlist, it's time to filter. And you've got a few options to choose from. You can opt for all, shorts, or videos. When you choose all, it displays all the content saved to the playlist. It's the perfect option if you enjoy a mix of different video types. The shorts option is a bit more specific. This displays only the shorts saved to your playlist. These are brief, bite-sized videos that are perfect for a quick watch. However, keep in mind that the Shorts feature is only available on computers. Now, if you're more into long-form content, then Videos is the option for you. This displays the long-form videos saved to your playlist. It's great for when you have a bit more time to sit back, relax, and dive into deeper content. So there you have it. Select your playlist, choose your preferred content type, and voila! Your playlist is filtered. It's a straightforward process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Remember, managing your content effectively can make a world of difference to your YouTube experience. It helps you stay organized, saves you time, and ensures you get the most out of the platform. That's how simple it is to filter your playlist by video type. Now let's move on to reordering your playlist. Now that you've filtered your playlist, let's talk about reordering the videos. It's a breeze and gives you the power to curate your viewing experience. To permanently reorder videos, simply open the playlist you want to edit. Then, just like arranging your favorite books on a shelf, drag a video up or down the playlist. Easy, right? But what if you want a quick shakeup just for the moment? Well, on the Watch Pages playlist panel, you can temporarily reorder videos by dragging a video up or down. Just remember, this feature isn't available for playlists that only contain YouTube Shorts. And there you have it. You can now reorder your playlist to suit your viewing preferences. Remember, your playlist is your personal concert setlist, your movie marathon order, your lecture series flow. You're the maestro here. Next, let's tackle hiding videos. Sometimes there are videos you don't want to see or playlists you want to get rid of. Let's discuss how to do that. First, let's talk about hiding videos. There may be times when you temporarily don't want a certain video to appear in your playlist. Here's how you do it. When you're on the Watch Pages playlist panel, simply swipe left on a video. Alternatively, you can tap More and then click Hide. It's as easy as that. Remember, this just hides the video temporarily. If you want it back, you can always unhide it. Now let's move on to deleting playlists. There may be playlists that you've outgrown or simply don't need anymore. To delete a playlist, start by tapping your profile picture. Then look under the playlist section and tap the playlist that you want to delete. Tap more on the playlist and then tap delete playlist. To confirm, tap delete. And voila, your playlist is gone. But here's something important to note. Your old playlist may continue to exist in viewers' watch histories. This means that even though you've deleted the playlist, some viewers might still be able to see it in their history. Moreover, once you delete a playlist, the playlist URL and title will no longer be visible or searchable in YouTube Analytics. The data associated with the playlist, such as watch time, will still be part of broader reports, but won't be attributed to the deleted playlist. So make sure you're absolutely certain before you hit that delete button. Hiding videos and deleting playlists are handy features that can help you keep your content organized and tailored to your liking. Remember, your YouTube channel is your space, and you have full control over what appears there. Now you know how to keep your playlist clean and organized by hiding videos and deleting unwanted playlists. Let's move on to creating and managing playlists. Lastly, we will discuss how to create and manage your playlists. A playlist is essentially a curated collection of videos. It's a way to organize videos of your liking or of a particular theme into one place. The beauty of playlists is that they are not just for personal use. You can share them with your friends, followers, or even the entire YouTube community. Now, creating a playlist is quite simple. You can start by clicking the Save button below any video you want to add. Then select Create New Playlist. Enter a name for your playlist, pick the privacy setting, and hit Create. Voila! You have your very own playlist. But what if you want to add more videos to an existing playlist? No worries, just click Save under the video you want to add and select the playlist you wish to add it to. You can add as many videos as you like. Now, managing your playlists is another important aspect. This is where the Library tab comes into play. Here you can view all your playlists. But for a more comprehensive management, you can use YouTube Studio. It's a robust tool that allows you to edit your playlists, change their privacy settings, and even delete them if you wish. There is, however, a slight limitation. If a video or a channel's audience is made for kids and you're on a homepage, you are not allowed to add it to a playlist. But don't fret, you can still add such content from the search results into your playlists. So there you have it. Creating and managing playlists is a breeze once you get the hang of it. It's a fantastic tool to keep your favorite videos organized and to share your unique video collections with others. And that's a wrap on creating and managing your YouTube playlists. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. So, let's take a moment to summarize what we've covered today. We started by diving into the realm of playlist management, teaching you how to filter playlists by video type. Remember, you can use the chip feature to view only the type of content you're interested in, whether it's all videos, shorts, or long-form content. Then, we moved on to the art of reordering your playlist. With a simple drag and drop, you can customize the order to your liking. We also explored how to hide videos temporarily for a cleaner viewing experience. Next, we ventured into the somewhat daunting task of deleting a playlist. While it might seem intimidating, it's as simple as tapping a few buttons. And yes, even though the playlist disappears from your library, its data remains in broader reports. Lastly, we looked at creating and managing playlists, an essential skill for any avid YouTube user. Now you're equipped with all the knowledge you need to manage your YouTube playlists effectively. Happy viewing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.